talking about? Tell me who it is if it's not us. No, it ain't no way, they can't stop us. If nobody do, we got us. We all we got. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the LNK family. We all we got. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the LNK family. We all we got. We live and we laugh and we love in life. Ain't no way to do it wrong when the love is right. All the way 100, yeah, the love so real. You got me and I got you. Tell me how it feels.
What's good, LK family? It's your boy King.
It's your girl Laina G.
And we got baby Oseann. Ain't nobody, hey mama, look at me like this shit.
This video is really all about Oseann today. Today is actually what? The first. So happy New Year. But in 2 days, Oseann will be turning 1 year old. And as y'all know, we had a link for her Amazon registry, and a bunch of y'all sent her gifts. So we wanted to open it on video today. We're not doing it on her actual birthday because we'll actually be somewhere else, and we're leaving tonight, so we wouldn't be able to travel with all this.
It's in tonight's morning.
Yeah, we're leaving like tonight, like tomorrow, but tonight morning. But we wouldn't have been able to take all of this with us, so we wanted to open this for her. She's getting a little antsy, so let's just start right away, right?
Right.
So this one right here is from Jessie. Look, and she loved this. She already seen it. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This is from my cousin Jessie. Look, mommy. Look.
Look at your toy.
Look.
Here we go.
Oh. And she's trying to jump. Okay.
Try to get to the camera.
You got a knife, you said?
Yeah, I got a knife. I'm just sharp. Don't cut yourself. I just sharpened it.
What you mean you just? How'd you sharpen it?
We got a knife sharpener.
What?
So I was able to sharpen. No, don't do that.
Okay, so this gift is from Monica Tone.
Ooh.
Thank you very much. Aww. She got an outfit and she got a book. Ocean loves books, y'all. Watch. Like, she literally loves books. Look, mommy, you got a book. Say thank you, Monica. I love that name, Monica. Oh, look. I love it. What's that? Oceann, say book. She says book.
Book?
And then she got a little outfit. You know. Oh, look, how cute.
You know how to read the, oh yeah, that's nice.
With the leggings. Love it. Super cute. Thank you, Monica, from Oceann. So let her look at it.
Oh, you want this book? Look.
Okay.
What's that book, mama? What's that? Book?
Ooh.
Oh, more food supply.
Right.
She her bowls and stuff too, y'all.
This one doesn't have a name.
Bless you.
Oh, I lied. Yes, it does. It says, happy first birthday, Miss Ocean Blue. You made both your parents the two most luckiest people in the world. Enjoy your day, beautiful birthday girl. Love your virtual auntie, Tyra Finley.
Aww.
Thank you, Tyra. Look it, Chunky Minnie Mouse. Wow.
Oh, look at Minnie Mouse too. You know you love Minnie.
Say wow.
We're gonna put that right here.
Keep your gift a surprise.
We're gonna keep this right here, mamas.
There we go. No. It doesn't say who it's from. It doesn't say who it's from. Maybe it's in a different one. Oh, maybe right here.
You want the book? Get the stuff you want.
It says enjoy your gift. Oh, but it doesn't say who it's from. Oh, this is a cute bag. Mommy, look.
Look, mama. She trying to, y'all, she in the house with everything, yo.
Yeah, y'all know that age. Can't keep them still. What's this? Oh. What's that? Look at her face.
You got some toys. You got new toys around the house.
What is that? Thank you to whoever sent this. You guys didn't leave a name, but thank you. This bag is super cute. Why do you? I don't know why. I'm mad. It doesn't say who it's from.
Look. Oh, you look.
Look, mommy. You got all these.
And over here too. Bless you.
Bless you. You happy? y'all. It's stacking cups. Let's see who it's from.
And you got a pick one.
It says, happy birthday, Ocean. Wishing you many more and enjoy your day. From YouTube Auntie Monica. Oh, thank you, Monica. That's one who just bought her the outfit.
Oh, she did two of them. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Wait, there's another one.
It's another one. Oh.
TT turned up. Oh, this is going to be so perfect for where we're going to keep her distracted. So, like, when we go on flights, on road trips, you put this on, like, the window. Look out.
And she spins it. It's like a spinner.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look, Ocean. You like it?
You hear this on the plane.
Who's kid? My baby, what's up? What's up? Thank you so much. She got her a couple gifts. Appreciate the love. Good, give it a baby. I think this is honestly, yeah, this is her birthday decorations for me.
The belly. Take it in the belly. Take it in the belly.
This one says, a gift for you. Happy birthday, girl. Give mommy and King hell on your bike. From Danya.
Oh, man.
Wait. Cause she got a couple of things. Oh, she got her a cute little sippy cup. Thank you, Danya. Y'all, that's my friend from Louisiana.
Right.
Oh, this is cute. Mommy, look, you got a sippy cup. She knows how to drink out of straws now.
Oh, yeah,
so
really, oh, you got a
look.
real sippy cup. And it's like really like rubbery.
Right?
Like easy to clean.
Yep, look. You can hold it. Here.
Oh, baby, look. Mama. Ooh, elephant. I was like, elephant cup. Look. Sip, sip.
He said, sip, sip. Okay, wait. She got,
like that.
what is it? Oh, she got this one too. I had opened it because I thought it was something that I had gotten.
Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, in a blanket.
Where you going? You trying to fall out? Where you going? You trying to fall out?
This is all from Danya. Love you, girl.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. Ooh.
Oh, that
Look
looks
how
comfortable.
cute.
Then she got the new car seat.
Yeah, we had to buy her a new car seat because she was just getting too big for the one that she had, and she was just complaining. Not like, you know, verbally, but like crying. Let me see. This is the bike she said, give mommy and daddy hell on.
Oh, this is a...
Probably gotta put it together. Ooh.
Got you a bike.
Right? We're gonna put it together later.
Got a bicycle.
Look at her. She's like, what's that?
Go see your stuff. Go see. Go get it, girl. Oh, wait, you want me to hold? She want me to hold it.
Yeah, you love everything. Aww.
Oh, piano.
Let's see who it's from. It says, happy birthday, Ocean, from Lynette Givens. Thank you, Lynette. We love you.
Yo, appreciate you.
Look, you got a piano.
We in the building. We got the ding, ding, ding. Alicia Keys going on around here.
Oh, Alicia Keys.
We got the Alicia Keys going on around here.
She's probably gonna like it.
Nah, for real. Cause it make noise. Let me see. It probably take batteries and everything. Oh, you got a microphone.
Oh,
Start you off
Lord.
early.
Yeah, my girl got those. Look, she like them stacking cups.
You gotta stack them. Stack.
Here, put it together. No way. It's just like the little thing to. Oh, what's this for?
Let me see.
It's so cute. The instructions right here.
Okay, we're gonna need some battery.
Look, mommy.
Yep.
Yeah, she really like these stacking
I
cups.
gotta get some AAA batteries. I ain't gonna put on.
Oh, this is really cute.
Right.
Wait, but put this together. Like, all you gotta do is put the little legs and stuff.
I got you. You got some toys, girl.
You like the cups, girl? like it? Ooh, you see how easy to put together?
Oh, then you got your
the
little
mic and then it'll click somewhere. OMG, how stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is mine.
Girl, you a singer.
How cute!
A singer. You stacking them up? See, I'm gonna stack up my stuff.
All these boxes. These literally have been in her closet like for a while. Happy first birthday, Ocean. Keep up the great work, Laina King. LK family from Glam Cam. Oh, that's cute. Glam Cam.
Thank you.
Let's see.
Oh,
Mama is really loving her stacking cups. Oh, I think that goes, yeah. These little bags that they give is really cute though. Can't even lie to you.
How does it go? This goes, where this one go? Oh, this goes like this.
What is this? Look, it's a baby shower cap. Look, so when we're giving her a shower, we put it on her head so it won't get in her face no more. Like when we're doing her hair and stuff.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, so water ain't gonna go.
Turn around and show them.
It's a big.
Thank you.
You finna perform? You finna perform? You finna perform? Okay.
Rock out, mama.
I got you.
Oh.
Well, I feel when you play like a piano, you gotta hit that. Oh, you're not even on the song no more. What happened? What happened?
I'm just throwing them. She's overwhelmed right now. Okay. Happy birthday, mamas. Enjoy your gift from LK DP Lolly. Oh, from LK family, DP Lolly. Thank you, Lolly. You got a lot of DPs, baby.
No cap.
Got a whole lot of DPs and aunties.
You got more. I think she likes those stacking.
You got more DPs than I got DPs.
She like those stacking. Let me see. And they got the A, B, C. Then they got
Oh, MG, these are literally so perfect for, yeah, where we're going.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
These are perfect. What?
If you can put it on her head the fastest.
How cute! Yes, these are perfect. Thank you so much.
The fluffy balls.
Show them, turn around.
Look.
Oh, cute.
Mwah.
It's just so nice.
Mwah.
Baby better be one. Let's see.
My baby one. I'm 1 year old. I'm 1 year old.
She got her some socks. Love it. This girl be needing socks. Y'all, I seen the comment of why Ocean never has socks on. She literally takes off her socks.
She eats, bro. My baby eats. She loves her feet.
Oh, yes. These ones have like straps.
So she not gonna take them all.
And grippies at the bottom. These are so nice.
Like
Thank you so much.
Let me see. Let's put one on. Let's see if she.
Put both of these on. Put both of them. See if she can take it off.
Watch. She'll take them off. Watch. Now don't show off now.
Nah, don't show off.
Hold on. Let's put it. I think it's go like. Oh. Let me smell them toes, cause I'm toes. Let me smell them.
Yeah, I'll take this thing.
Let me smell them toes. Let me smell them toes. Let me smell. Let me see.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Put the other one on. See if she takes it off.
Yeah,
enjoy your gift. Love her, beautiful, from Wanda Austin. Thank you, Wanda. Okay, can you say thank you?
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Say thank you. I appreciate these. These really gonna help. Cause I ain't gonna lie, she do take off her socks.
Yeah,
her
and
shoes.
she eats them, throws them everywhere. Like that's why we went. I actually bought her more shoes. We bought her more shoes the other day, and she'll only keep socks on obviously if she has shoes on. So.
Sometimes she tell me she's trying to take her shoes off.
Yeah, I think she just likes to be free.
Oh.
Watch this, guys. Watch.
Oh.
Look, mama. Oh, how sweet. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, you love it.
Wait, let me turn her around, y'all. Watch her, what she do. That's a baby.
It's a baby.
That's a baby.
Oh,
That's a
baby.
Aww.
Yeah, she loves stuffed animals too. Does this have a thingy? Oh, this doesn't have like a nose. Oh, yes. Look.
What is we just bathe
Put it in the
her.
bathtub. That way, you know how she be squirming in there and stuff? You put her in that, in the water, and she'll be like, you know, she's straight. That's gonna be lit.
Thank you.
Look it. She got, thank you to whoever sent this. There's no, like, note or anything. Look. She loves that one. Look, mommy, you get your own phone.
So you can leave our phone alone.
Yes, she literally steals our phone. Look, she loves it. What's this? Hello? Here you go.
You want to talk to Ocean? I think they want, hello? You say you want to talk to Ocean? Okay, huh? Hello?
Say bye-bye.
Hello? Alright, bye-bye. Bye-bye. You want to talk? Bye-bye.
She's so smart.
They FaceTime.
Alright, this next gift.
Oh, baby.
This is from my mama. Thank you, mama.
Shout out to you.
She bought her some clothes. What are these? Are these onesies or pajamas? You know, we always need clothes because girls growing. Oh, little t-shirts and stuff. Stop it. Oh yeah, they're pajamas. It's a pajama set.
Okay, Miss Sleep a lot.
Yep. This is exactly what she needed. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
We love you.
Genuine.
Look it. Oh, look at these. How cute.
Them too cute.
With a little shirt.
Oh,
We wear little t-shirts.
You gotta wash your habit.
I like when her belly shows. Here. Pass me the ones over there. Wait, not like, bro. What?
No, this is good. I don't know.
You don't like when the little belly popping out? I think it's so cute.
A belly already pop out.
Am I making you nervous with the knife?
Yeah, cause I really just sharpened it. Like I just sharpened it like before we did the video.
Alright.
After I had scraped all of the, you know, the which one colors off.
You felt like it was dull?
Yeah, and I sharpened it.
This says, happy birthday from TheLkFamilyyy. She had gotten her, I think that teddy bear too. Thank you so much.
Thank you. She gonna love the teddy bear.
Yeah.
Oh, so look, she wanted it. Look, she wanted it. Look, watch how I take it. Aww.
Oh, baby, you're so sweet.
So thankful. That's a good thing. You love that. Oh, let me get your lip. Your lip look dry.
Dry?
My baby lip look dry.
Pajama sets. Yes.
Oh, y'all. My baby look cracked.
Happy. What's this? You wanna see? You wanna see what this is? What's this? Huh? How do I take it out? Oh. Wow, that's cool, huh? Yay! What's this? Wow. Oh, he's trying to play. Come on, King. She's gotta get undistracted. He's trying to play with her mama though. Nobody's going for none of that. You trying to play? Boy.
You heard me?
Yes. Like, you better hurry up. She got her some pajamas, but more pajamas.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, these are real comfy, real cozy. Gonna take this on our shirt.
Come, baby, look. Let me get that look.
Ooh, and I like that they got gripsies at the bottom. She's
nice
older, yeah.
I got you. Look.
And she walks now, so she can need the gripsies.
Okay. Boom. Let me get it. Let me get it. Boom. I know. Fight me back. You fighting me.
Ooh.
I know. I gotta get it. Come on, mama. My lips. Right.
She wants her toy. Here, mama.
Okay, boom. Go. Ooh, go. That was so loud. That cut. I did not want to see it leave.
Hello. Let's see. Baby, whoa. Put the clothes over there. It says, happy first birthday. I love the LK family from McKenna T. Thank you. We love you too. Thank you for sending Ocean something.
Thank you. Like, it's like I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Like, I'm really appreciative of this because, you know, this is her first birthday, and for y'all to just be sending her gifts and, like, just really being a part of the family, like, that stuff really matters, you know?
Yeah.
Really thankful. Thank you.
We love y'all.
Because she have new toys.
Oh, this is perfect to clean it up with. Oh. They put the blocks in here just like that.
Oh.
He's gonna be everywhere. Look, Ocean.
Ocean.
They got this bag for it too good.
All right, what can we build? What can we build, Ocean? What do you want to build?
You like it? Say thank you. I really like these socks.
Right, because they on her feet and they not coming off. I did not think they came like that.
That's lit.
That's like
That box is the last one.
the last box.
I think my mom had ordered her more stuff, but it probably hasn't came in yet.
It's probably in the
She ordered her more, like a lot of clothes.
It's probably in the locker.
Right. Okay. It says, enjoy your gift. Happy first birthday. I hope you have a great birthday from Mama T from Tanya Harris.
Oh,
thank you. Ooh, this is a little shower toy for her. Like when she's in it floats and stuff. And then it has like little things you put, you can put these on it and stuff.
Oh, they
Super
float.
cute.
Oh, she love this. Oh, these gonna be everywhere. Look. Let me show you. Look, baby. Look. Okay. Give them to me.
Give them to me.
I'm blocking them.
Yeah.
Oh, she want. Okay.
I don't know how to close this.
Look. She really, honestly, y'all, I truly appreciated this because she really needed, like, we got her some Christmas toys, but like at that time she was playing with the same toys, and now I realize she really needed new toys, different development skills and stuff. Oh. I did. Look. You building it.
She's gonna keep passing you all the way.
Look.
Wow.
You built you a city. Look at the buildings. You see the buildings?
Mama, say wow. Say yes.
I got you. Look right here. Look. Okay. I'm building. I'm gonna build you a house. That's what we building. We're building a house. Oh, wait, let's do the bottom. The bottom might go on.
I'm sorry. I broke it. No. I broke the building.
This is really cute. You love them? You love everything? Look. She's like, get that one back. Aww.
We just built that. You gave me to him when I was building them. She was
Got a lot of recycling to take over.
even up there. Oh, I gotta go.
Before we leave.
Before we leave. Yeah, of course. So I'm gonna I was gonna try to do that like later on.
Yeah.
I have to because I was looking at it yesterday. And I was like,
You want to put that together real quick?
yeah, I look at that.
We appreciate y'all so much. We're so excited. Can y'all guess where we're going soon? Down below.
Yeah, comment down below. We're taking a little trip for Mama's birthday.
Little family trip.
Little family trip. So excited.
Yo, this is mad funny. Look at it.
Let's go crazy. Like, it does not play. Oh, get it.
Yo, it's really jumping.
It gets you crunk.
Mommy, look. She likes these blocks. Look at her trying to put it on with each other. Look. Look at her. Look at her trying to see.
Get it, girl.
Put the block. Look, Mama. Look, Ocean. Gotta stack it. Look. Yay. Ooh. We're gonna try.
Oh, really?
Oh, she's really trying. Look. Wow. Oh. You don't like mommy stacking? Only daddy? Yeah, that's how it usually is. That's so cute. Oh my god. Yeah, you like it?
We got you a bike now. Papa Willie.
That is so cute. Thank you, Danya.
You gonna be popping willies.
Put her on it.
Go crazy.
Go. She's like, I am still trying to figure out how do I put these blocks together like Daddy did.
Right?
Whoa!
Wee! Wee! Wee!
Oh.
You gotta get back up.
You okay?
You okay, Mama?
Sometimes you fall, but you gotta she's like, I ain't get back on this shit. Ooh, maybe not. She likes it. You gotta hold on to this. Let's see if she knows how to get back up.
Look. Oh.
Yay! Oh, you took it out.
Look. This one better. Boom.
Yay!
Oh. Yay!
Look, Mama. Look.
She put the other one in.
Really?
The green one.
She's like, I get it. She likes the bike.
You want a bite?
Look, oh my god, these little socks are so cute. Thank you so much. Like, these socks are cute. And she got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs.
And almost gonna last too.
I'm gonna get more.
What's the name of it?
Tiny Captain.
Tiny Cat.
Soft, comfy, stylish.
Thank you. That's really like, we ain't never think that was like a minute like that. And she do take her socks off because she eat her socks. She love socks. She love my socks.
That girl wear.
I like my socks.
I
You love socks, huh? I love socks. I love how socks feel.
What?
Mwah. Pretty girl.
All right, y'all. Well, that was it for this video. Thank y'all so much for sending baby Ocean birthday gifts.
Yes.
Stay tuned for our traveling vlog. We'll be leaving tonight, this morning, tonight, whatever it is. We're gonna be leaving around like 3 a.m. 2 a.m.
Yeah.
Like 3 a.m. probably. 2 a.m.
What you're gonna be leaving early in the morning, late at night. You know,
Yeah,
no matter what time it is.
it doesn't matter what time it is.
But nah, genuinely, like for me too, like thank y'all so much for just sending. Thank y'all so much because you didn't have to do this, and for the people who really support us and just love Ocean herself. You know what I'm saying? She's about to be 1 year old. Y'all watch her grow from coming out the womb.
Literally, us showing y'all her
like,
room, decorating her room.
Yes. And even in the environment we in now, so I just feel like y'all really growing with us and growing with her. You know what I'm saying? It's 1 year of just growing all together as a LK fam member and just supporting Ocean.
So
Like we really thank you so much. Like if we was here in front of you, I promise you we'll show you so much appreciation in real life because like y'all don't have to do this and really thank you so much because it's for my daughter. You know what I'm saying? Anything, that's real love.
Look at her, she loves all this stuff, y'all.
Real love.
And these little hats, wherever they are so freaking cute,
Right.
and they're literally gonna come in handy. Come on, let's put one on actually, because he looks so adorable in it. What?
I put the
Where?
I do this one. They do this one. Oh, another one. Hey, it's shit home.
Stop.
Hey, home.
Stop.
But you didn't know more like tacos.
Let me see. I don't want you ruining these and biting them and stuff. We're gonna put these away.
Yeah,
These are good
I
quality.
got them. Yeah, they are good.
And you got a blanket.
Can I put my head in it?
No. You got a blanket. Hey, babe. Alright, y'all. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much. We love y'all very much. Stay tuned for the vlog. We're gonna be traveling. It's gonna be a family trip. We're also gonna be where we're going for Ocean's birthday. So it's gonna be super fun, super lit. Stay tuned for the videos. And Happy New Year.
Same to you.